whatever snippets I've been putting on Instagram, you've been liking it, so I thought, why not put a full crazy makeup tutorial on YouTube. We're just discussing about baking, because for me baking was always an added step which probably doesn't do that much. Yes, a lot of you will be like thinking, oh my god, what did she just say? But yes, I just truly feel that baking is just an added step that you do and doesn't do much. So I thought, if it's that good, if baking your under eyes can make it look flawless, and why don't we do it on an entire face? We did some research and we found out that yes, there is a way, there's totally a way where you can bake your entire face, and that technique is a Korean technique and it's called Jamsu, which in English means submerging. So what you have to do is you have to take icy cold water in a bowl and yes, put your water inside that cold water. We saw a lot of tutorials and it was a lot of fun. I mean, I don't know why I'm doing this, but I'm doing it just for the fun sake of how crazy this is. So let's see what it does to me. So yeah, you just do your usual cream, foundation, concealer bit. So now that this is done, it's time to bake. You dip your blender and apply an awesome generous amount of that powder on your entire face. Now that I've managed to look like a clown, it's time to dip my face in that icy cold water. Okay, it's quite cold. I think the whole technique is to close your pores. So when the pores get minimized, that's how it locks in the entire makeup and gives it a very flawless finish. Okay, time to test my swimming lessons. Wish me luck, guys. This is really funny. I mean, I can't believe I'm trying this out. Okay, so I'm gonna do it for around roughly 15 to 20 seconds because my skin is kind of normal to dry. So that should be enough to lock in the pores. Okay, guys. Deep breathe. Okay, so take a fresh towel and just tap it very gently, because otherwise if you're too rigorous it will just take the makeup off because it's wet. So be careful, you just tap it a little bit to get the excess water off. I just feel there are little white patches because of the powder. So take on your compact or your foundation powder and just dab onto your skin so that if there's any white patch around your face, you can fix that up. Like for me, first impression, it's a little cumbersome for sure. A lot cumbersome for sure because you have to take care your hair doesn't get wet and all of that. But it does do a little bit of that trick. I think people with oily skin would be super happy with this technique. I don't know about people with dry skin because like I also have combination skin. My forehead is really dry, my area around the cheeks are also dry. So all these places my skin has become really flaky. So to fix this, I think one thing that we can do is use a setting spray. So it will help me moisturize my face, my forehead, and maybe we can overcome with this problem. I'm gonna apply a lot, so my setting spray has set in and I feel that this has really helped me make my face look more moist and dewy. Earlier I think it was looking really dry and cakey and matte, so I think this trick, if someone with dry skin wants to try this, putting your face in cold water, you should follow it up with using a setting spray. So now I'll do the rest of the makeup so that we actually get to know how the entire makeup routine sets in with this technique. Okay, so I did my entire makeup routine, which is you saw the foundation, the concealer, then baking it, putting my face in that cold icy water, and then of course the compact and your blush on, eye makeup, everything. And what I feel is that, okay, this is like first impressions, I've not shot this before. Yes, it feels much flawless. I feel that the application may in the first place was a little cakey, but the setting spray really helped to even it out. As far as the effort is concerned, I really don't know if you can adopt this effort for like an everyday makeup, because it's not easy to always put your face in the water, because your hair will mess up, you'll spill and everything, and obviously it's time consuming. So, but I think when I have shoots, when I have more photography, when I know that I have to be somewhere for a long period of time, because it feels that it's gonna stay for much more longer than my usual makeup routine would in a normal situation. So I think you should really try if you think you're gonna be out the whole day, and I think people who have oily skin, they would really love this. I'm not too sure about people who have dry skin. I mean, because for me it was a little patchy at some point, but we still found a way to fix it by using a generous amount of setting spray on your face. So yes, it was a lot of fun filming this video, and I hope that I can bring you guys more such cool content. So please, for the encouragement, do subscribe to the channel, like and share this video, and surely try this. It's a lot of fun. For fun's sake, you can once dip your face in cold water for makeup. So guys, see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.